Now that we know how to find the effective annual rate, let's give that a whirl here. So our formula is 1 plus our nominal rate divided by n, where n is the number of times per year. And then you're going to take that whole thing and raise it to the nth power and subtract 1. And then just remember to stick with decimals throughout that calculation until you get to the end. So if our nominal rate is 5%, that means as a decimal, it's going to be 0.05. And compounded monthly means n is equal to 12. That's how many times a year that's going to happen. So my formula looks like 1 plus 0.05 divided by 12 raised to the 12th power minus 1. So we're going to get about 5.116%. A little bit better than the nominal rate there. All right, we're going to go ahead and find the nominal rate and the value of n for each of these, and then I'm going to let you pause the video and give those a try. So if my nominal rate is 9%, it's 0.09, compounded quarterly. So if you think about quarters, there's 4 quarters in a dollar, and there are 4 quarters in a year. Nominal rate of 7.25% is going to be 0.0725, and semi-annually means twice a year, so n is 2. Nominal rate of 6% is 0.06. Compounded daily is n is 365. All right, so I'd like you to pause the video and give those ones a whirl. All right, so hopefully you paused that, gave us an opportunity to give those a try. So let's go ahead and finish solving them up. Number 2, I get 1 plus 0.09 divided by 4. That whole quantity raised to the 4th minus 1. So it gives me about 9.308%. Okay, so number 3, I would have 1 plus 0.0725 divided by 2, that whole quantity squared, minus 1. And when I punch that in the calculator, I'm going to get about 7.381%. Number 4, I'm going to have 1 plus 0.06 divided by 365. That whole thing raised to the 365th power minus 1 is going to give me approximately 6.183%. I know that this last one, you're comparing 2 different possibilities for where you could invest your money. So one, you could invest your money at 7.8% compounded monthly, or there's a different option where you can get it 8% but compounded semi-annually, so twice a year. Which option should you choose? Well, hopefully the one that's going to give you more money. So let's figure out which one that is. And the cool thing about this is you don't have to know what your starting investment is. It could be $100, it could be $10,000, because this rate that we're finding is going to hold true no matter what your starting investment is. Okay. So you get 1 plus 0.078 over 12. That quantity raised to the 12th, and then I'll subtract 1 from that. Gives me approximately 8.085%, which seems pretty good to me. And then the second option is 1 plus 0.08, and semi-annually is 2, so we'll divide by 2 and square that. And then we'll subtract 1, and that's going to give me approximately 8.16%. So this one is the bigger percentage. This is going to be the better account to go with.